What's up, guys? So the first thing you're gonna need is some concealer. Then you're gonna need a loose powder or setting powder of your choice. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder in medium. And lastly, a damp beauty blender to blend everything out. First, I'm gonna take my concealer and apply this under my eye in a triangle shape, with the tip of the triangle being closest to my tear duct. I'm also gonna take the concealer under where my under eye bags usually are. This is gonna make everything look flawless and just smooth out my face. Now with my damp beauty blender, I'm gonna start blending. You always wanna start with the edges and blend downward. Don't blend upward, and always blend in a patting-like motion. I'm not swiping, I'm not trying to move the concealer around, I'm just trying to pat it and blend it into my skin to make everything look even. Then I'm gonna take my loose powder and I'm gonna tap it into the lid. So I'm gonna unscrew it and just tap a generous amount into the lid. And what you see inside of the lid, I'll be using about half of that under each eye. And now what you wanna do is take the tip of your beauty blender and just coat the top of it with it. It's damp, so the powder should stick fairly easily, and you'll have about this much on your beauty blender. And now what you're gonna do is pat that underneath your eye on top of where you put your concealer. Again, you don't want to wipe it, you just want to pat it in and keep patting it until it's all blended out. And if you ever have problems with blending your concealer toward the edges, just take the butt of the beauty blender and just blend downward with that. The bottom that's a little wider is going to help you blend more evenly. And I'm going to repeat the steps in the same exact order, but just on the other side, starting with the concealer and the triangle motion. And blending the edges first and then working my way up. And that is how you conceal your dark circles that are under your eyes. This was quick and easy, and I hope my tips helped you guys. Make sure you check out all my other playlists for my other videos, and I will see you guys soon.